Smart Steel Structure Factory Workflow. The Horizon Homes Smart Steel Structure Production Line is powered by our Industrial Centralized Control System, also known as ICCS. Our system establishes a facility-wide communication network via wireless Wi-Fi, enabling gantry robots, RGVs, rail-guided vehicles, dual-axis positioners, lifting platforms, semi-axis positioners, as well as other smart workstations, to operate with integrated production planning and base-level control capabilities, supporting workshop-level production management and scheduling, smart cutting and sorting workstation. A laser automatically cuts steel into various shapes based on programmed instructions. A 3-axis gantry robot picks up standard pallets and workpieces and transfers them to the RGV. The RGV then transports pallets and workpieces to the next designated workstation. Deburring workstation. A 6-axis robotic arm loads the component into the deburring machine. Once deburred, the robotic arm places the component onto the loading pallet. Component assembly and welding workstation. A robotic arm transfers node components into the welding zone and places them sequentially in position. After the welding is complete, a robot places the component onto a standard pallet. A robotic arm, in sequence, positions the node components, flanges and semi-finished parts onto a dual-axis positioner. The positioner rotates into the welding zone, where further assembly and welding are completed. Gantry Machining Center Workstation. The gantry robot lifts the semi-finished component into the machining station, where surface milling, end-face drilling and tapping are completed with precision. The robotic arm then transfers the component to the flipping zone. Integrated Assembly and Welding Workstation. The gantry robot retrieves and places a square steel tube onto the lifting platform and positions the top and bottom flange plates onto a corresponding dual-axis positioner in sequence. The lifting platform clamps the steel tube securely, while a 6-axis welding robot welds the end face joints. The dual-axis positioner rotates 90 degrees to continue welding until all sides are completed. Integrated Grinding and Inspection Workstation. The gantry robot picks up the finished component and secures it onto the semi-axis positioner. A grinding robot moves to the weld seam and polishes the end face. After grinding and polishing, a vision detection robot scans the component and performs quality inspection. If the result meets quality standards, the semi-axis positioner rotates 90 degrees to grind the next side, ensuring all sides are polished and inspected. End-face Precision Milling Workstation. Prefabricated Steel Beam Assembly. Traditional steel column assembly. shot blasting workstation and smart coating workstation.